What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Yeti F, and guess what? I just got a delivery special. I was thinking to myself, should I start off the video by saying sorry for the wind? And I was like, no, it's not that bad. It is that bad. But I just got a special delivery from Smith. I made this order on Monday. It is now Wednesday. That's how fast these bad boys got here. These are the Smith WILDCATs. And let's unbox them, shall we? Alright, comes in just a cardboard box. Ooh, the hard case. Smith right there. Feels like it's definitely, if it was in your backpack or something like that, you're not going to squish it, but if you sat on it, you'd still squish it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, ooh, a Smith sticker that wants to blow away. There goes the box. Bye, box. I'll find you later. And what else we got? So we got some warranty information. We got the how-to on how to switch out the lenses, because it comes with a clear lens and it comes with the actual glasses, which are kind of stuck in there. It comes with a bag, soft bag, and here they are, the creme de la creme, the Smith WILDCATs. This is my boy Squints. Squints' daughter was like, highly recommend, you should get these. Now, how do they look? She's lovingly referred to as the little gremlin. Gremlin, how'd I do? Best choice? I like them. Anyway, here's what the inside of the case looks like. Best unboxing video ever? Probably. Nailed it.